U.S. History 10th graders. Hope everybody's having a great day today. Tuesday, May 19th. Here's our plan. First, complete the Do Now assignment. Second, we're going to begin working ahead on some of the successes that the movement had, beginning with the 1964 Civil Rights Act. So the assignment to complete comes from pages 920 to 922, and that is in your assignments folder, and that is due on Thursday, May 21st. That's the only thing that's due. There are a number of extra credit assignments in there, but one thing I would highly encourage you to watch is Martin Luther King's I Have a Dream speech. There are a few questions you could answer for extra credit, and that would be a very, very good idea. Martin Luther King gave that speech in August of 1963 in front of the Lincoln Memorial, and it did move Congress to begin acting on what would become the Civil Rights Act. That and the fact that President John F. Kennedy was assassinated in November, it became clear that a Civil Rights Act was going to be a major priority early in 1964, and that's exactly what happens. So those are good things to watch to put the period of time in the early 60s to mid 60s in proper context. And that is what we have today. If you need any help, please ask. Still got plenty of time to get caught up if you're behind, or if you're ahead, you've still got plenty of time to do some extra credit. Good luck. If you need help, I'd love to help you.